Hi Tandy. Okay, so in our last video where I was taking you through the sounds in the sound chart, we finished on the letter O. We can see that the letter O makes two different sounds. The first sound is O, the way it sounds in the word on. And then the second sound is O, the way the letter O sounds in the word go. I go, G-O, go, okay? So O and O are the sounds for the letter O. You'll notice that O sounds exactly like the name of the letter, which is O, okay? And then the letter P sounds like P. The letter Q makes two different sounds. The first one is when it's followed by the letter U. So we say the letter Q and the letter U are best friends because when the letter Q is followed by its best friend U, the sound that it makes is qu, like in queen and in quiet, qu. But when the letter Q is not followed by its best friend U, and if it's followed by any other letter, then the sound that it makes by itself is k, k. That's the same sound as k and k for car. So the letter Q can also make that sound, k. That is when it's not followed by the best friend U. Okay? So this is qu, that's the first sound, and k, that's the second sound. Qu and k. And then R sounds like R. S sounds like S. T sounds like T. U can sound like A for umbrella. It can sound like U, like in the word unicorn. And you will notice that in the word unicorn, it sounds exactly like the name of the letter, which is U. So A for umbrella, U for unicorn, and then the third sound is U. In the word rule, I rule this town. The letter U is the second letter in the word, and it makes the U sound. I rule, R-U-L, okay? So U can sound like A, it can sound like U, and it can sound like U. V sounds like V. W sounds like W. And then X sounds like X, which is the name of the letter. But then it can also sound like X. And then like in the word box. In the word box, it sounds like X. And then the third sound is Z, like in the word exam or xylophone.